Hey, it's Elwood here with another action lighting video. Today I'm here to talk to you about our SMD flexible neon product. As you can see behind me on the wall, I made this Christmas tree. It's beautiful. It was just one of my ideas. This product is cuttable, it's bendable, it's flexible, and so is the accessories that come with it. So let me show you a little bit about it. Here I have a piece of warm white in my hand. This stuff you can cut every meter. It's super easy. All you do is look for that scissor mark, okay? If you need to cut it every half meter, you just look for this black mark on the bottom, okay? You just cut right on those marks, and then you can easily attach a power cord, okay? So you can use that piece you cut off. You can cut it into custom little small sections, and then all you do is place this end cap. Okay, so how did I make these shapes behind me? How am I keeping them in place? It's really simple. We also sell this mounting track. Okay, with this mounting track, you can get nice straight lines. Okay, you can do a nice border around a window or any place you're trying to attract attention to. Also, you can easily cut this stuff. And so what I've done here is, just to demonstrate, I've just cut some little pieces, okay? For this demonstration, I'm actually just using Velcro on the back of these to attach it to this wall. That's how easy it is to use. So basically, I basically measured out the length of this green neon I wanted to use for the tree, cut it at length, and then just custom cut some of these metal things. I don't know if you can see, but I have one right here. And that's how I just easily made the outline of this tree. Put a swag in it. It looks great. You can do some spiral stuff, maybe for a haunted house or something like that, to draw some attention this way or that. And like I showed, the window, I also, if you can see at the top, I've also done a straight line across the top. This is a great product. We sell this in a 150-foot roll, a 100-foot roll, and 50-foot roll. So no matter what size of job you're working on, this is going to be a great product. If you have any more questions about this, please give us a call, 1-800-248-0076, or check it out online at actionlighting.com. Just type neon into the search box at the top of the website. Hey, if you like some of these videos and you like seeing this, leave me a comment. Share these videos. Tell me about other videos you might like to see. I really enjoy making them, and we really appreciate your business. Thanks for your time.